Hi, the weekend with my family. Present big Vladimir Paredes Alvarez, English 2. And spend the weekends with my family on the Pomo rivers. When we arrived, the way was sunny, with swan a lot, but the water was very cool, so my wife and the children sat out room. Everything was fun until in unexpected start to ride very hard. So they ran the tag refuge in an houses, and all the people left the river. Then though was time to go home. It is important to kings. It means that if you go to the rivers, you should be careful where in ride a lot because it can be dangerous. Climate recommendation. The water in the Pomo is some in the morning, but it is pretty sick at night. It is recommended that people wear short and sheer. What show people down in the place? People show walk around the rivers. People should play with the kids in the rivers. People should eat sancocho de gallina in some typical restaurants. People should visit Pomo locator to la Hacienda El Paraíso. People should take a picture in the gardens of Hacienda El Paraíso. What should know people do in the place? People should know be the rivers with choice. People should know through garbage on the rivers. People should know what be and now cities. Thank you very much